What is up, traders? You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to our educational segment of price action analysis. In this segment, we will be diving into some fascinating techniques that can empower traders all around the world. So in today's segment, we will be looking at price action and its meaning, and also we are going to be analyzing gold as you see on the screen. And in other segment that will follow after this video, we are going to be looking at price action and understand its significance in the world of trading. I really know that when talking about price action trading, there are a lot of things that comes to people's mind, and some persons might be confused, some persons might not even know the meaning of price action. So the purpose of this video is not to get anybody lost. The purpose of this video is not to maybe weigh down others trading system, but the purpose of this video is to bring clarity to price action and also to do a whole lot of justice. So at the end of this video, and please subscribe. Action is simply the techniques that is utilized by traders to predict future price movement based on what? Based on historical data. Like what you are seeing here, these are graphical representation of price. That is the candles that are here. You will only see two candles. Some person might be using red, some person might be using white, and what color suit them, but it's all the same. But personally, I love this green candle represent the bulls, while the red candle represent the bears. And when we are talking about the bulls, we are talking about the scenario whereby the market is buying, is going up, going up. And when we are talking about the bears, we are talking about the scenario whereby the market keeps on coming down. So keep on coming down. So price action, these are the historical data that price action analysis, they use it in order for them to predict price. Particularly, price action traders, they focus on the action of buyers and sellers, nothing more, and they consider some crucial aspects such as the trend, such as the support, such as the resistance. When we are talking about the trend, I will use the chart. Like in a scenario whereby the market is forming something like this, a scenario whereby the market, let's say an uptrend. In an uptrend, you see the market moving in this way. You form a high, will come back, form a low, go back, form a higher high, come back, form this, come back, form this. This is an uptrend where you can easily note it here. I'm using an uptrend. This here, if you just this chart now. So now support, and each of these each of this trend is trying to form, you see that is forming what is called support. There is support here. So here is resistance, which was broken and now turned what? And now turned support. It retested it and now it broke it again. It broke it again to the upside, broke here again. This was a resistance, broke it and turning support. So now what price action traders are expecting, they are waiting for something like this, for the market to pull back and retest here and maybe continue to the upside. So that is just a whole lot of them. So now the ability for them to use all these technical levels, all these technical, rather than relying on some indicators. Some indicators are like moving average, the RSI, and others indicators is what is regarded as price action. Just like what you are seeing on my chart here. You allow the price to talk to you as a price action trader. Currently, the price is at 1916.9. Center 1917.05. That is the current price of gold. Currently, let me do small analysis. So this is a trend line pointing that the market is going up, but at a point the trend line was broken and the market started to come down. And if I bring my tools and draw support, there is a support here that the market was fighting from. The market was fighting this support to break it, but it couldn't. There were a lot of weak rejection there for over 2 weeks, and now the market has moved downwards, currently at this level, and same thing will happen. So we believe there is a support here. So support broke, turn resistance. So currently now gold has two scenarios, and I will tell you that the destination for this move is here. This is the destination. This is the destination where gold, if gold survive this, is going to move down to 1814 period. Do not take my word for it. If you go to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, we have two scenarios that might likely happen here. It's either price will pull back, will form a base where it is currently around this region, because this is an announced drop, or it's going to move up, or gold will just move up. It will move up to this region, to somewhere here, and form a base. It will move up, form a base, and then go to the downside. But you know how gold do his thing. They might decide to maybe pass there. So let me see, if I put my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, from swing high to swing low, you see that that point is a sweet zone. It's a sweet zone. Like it, yeah. So I expect gold to pull back here. If it breaks this support that is fighting, I expect gold to pull back to this particular level before start dropping. So because you are not using any indicator, there is no indicator that is telling you buy, there is no indicator that is telling you sell. The sellers are in control, but your ability for you to interpret using price movement is what is refers to as price action. Price action. Note this: you are not to cite any, as a price action trader, you are not to cite any side, either the bull or the bears. You are not to cite any, but you are only to wait and see who is in control of the market. Like this gold that we are analyzing now, we knew that gold, the buyers were in control, but currently now the sellers, now they came in, they're trying to take control, they're trying to take charge of the market. But who knows what is going to happen from now? We are watching. But nevertheless, it all boils down to your ability for you to interpret the chart and also to understand chart pattern. But for the purpose of this video, we will be holding on here. In our next segment, we'll be talking about understanding the basic of price action analysis. So please subscribe so that you will not miss out on any video of this segment and other educational content. My name is Wiz Jackson. Bye for now.